Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or S25 Ultra. With this feature, you can unlock your phone quickly and securely. Steps to set up Face Unlock. 1. Open Settings. Go to Settings from your home screen. 2. Go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Screen Lock and Biometric. 3. Select Face Recognition. Tap on Face Recognition to start the setup. 4. Set up a backup lock. If you haven't already set up a screen lock, you'll need to choose a PIN pattern or password for extra security. 5. Register your face. Hold your phone at a comfortable distance from your face and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you're in good lighting for the best results. 6. Adjust additional settings. Once your face is registered, you can customize these options. Face Unlock. Enable face recognition to unlock your phone. Stay on lock screen. Keeps your phone on the lock screen after recognizing your face. Faster recognition. Speeds up facial recognition, but may be less secure. Brighten screen. Temporarily increases screen brightness to improve face recognition in low light. Important tips. For better accuracy, register your face without glasses, masks, or hats. If your appearance changes significantly, like shaving your beard or changing your hairstyle, you may need to re-register your face. The Face Unlock feature on the Galaxy S25 series is faster and more reliable than previous models, even in low-light conditions. And that's it! Now you can unlock your phone effortlessly with just a glance.